Hey guys, it's time to talk about the OnePlus 6. OnePlus is currently gearing up to launch its upcoming flagship smartphone OnePlus 6. While the phone is still a few months away from making its debut, it has been leaked several times. Now a new leak has surfaced online which reveals the upcoming smartphone specifications and its price. It reveals that the OnePlus 6 will feature a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a screen size of 2280 by 1080 pixels with 18 by 9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, it is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's flagship processor, Snapdragon 845 clocked at 2.7 GHz, which is powering almost all of the flagship smartphones announced this year. Further, it suggests that the smartphone will pack 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. As of the camera department, the rear camera of OnePlus 6 is said to be consisting of 7-megapixel primary sensor and a 20-megapixel secondary sensor with f1.7 aperture on both lenses. The camera specs are exactly the same as the company's current flagship device OnePlus 5T. On the front side, the phone will come equipped with a 20-megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture. Coming to the software, it is said that the OnePlus 6 will be running on Android 8.1 Oreo operating system out of the box with the company's own Oxygen OS custom interface on top. In China, instead of Oxygen OS, it will come with Hydrogen OS. The phone will be fueled by a 3450 mAh battery, and we expect that it will support the company's own fast charging technology, dash charging. Other leaks surrounding that the OnePlus 6 smartphone claim that it would be arriving with an aluminum body. Further, Rebel Report says that the phone will come with an Apple iPhone 10-like notch on the top. There are some rumors which says that the OnePlus upcoming flagship device may carry support 3D facial recognition, but it won't be as sophisticated as Face ID on iPhone 10. The phone is also expected to carry support for super fast LTE gigabit connectivity. While the new specifications leak only list one variant of the phone with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, the previously claimed that the highest configuration model of OnePlus 6 will have 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, and is expected to be priced at $749. Looking at the specifications, the OnePlus 6 seems very much similar to the recently launched Oppo R15. It won't be surprising if the smartphone turns out similar to the Oppo R15, as the OnePlus 5T is also quite similar to the Oppo S11. Now let me know, are you guys excited about this and what do you guys think in the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe this channel for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.